Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot EXL all-wheel drive. The vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights, keyless entry, as well as remote start. You'll have the memory buttons for the power seats, which are 10-way to include the lumbar support. The seats are also heated. You'll have an Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which starts with the road departure mitigation, the collision mitigation braking system. Here on the steering wheel, you'll see the adaptive cruise control, as well as the lane keep assist system. You'll be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through music sources, and control the volume. You'll have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Be able to Bluetooth your music into the car. XM radio. Dual climate control. You'll have the power ports. You'll have a button for multiple traction modes, which include normal, snow, mud, and sand. You'll have a sunroof, place to store your sunglasses with built-in mirror. Here on the rearview mirror, you will have your home link buttons to open up your garage door. In the center console, you'll have an additional power and USB port. You'll have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. You'll have a push button on the seats for easy access into the third row. Notice the all-weather footwell tray here, all-weather cargo tray. A capless fuel filler. A power liftgate. Backup camera with 3 different adjustable views. You'll have an easy system to lift up the seats. And just as easily, you can pull the drawstring and let them back down. Under here, you will have additional storage compartment, spare tire tool sets, where you'll lower your spare tire. Push button to close. This is the 2019 Honda Pilot EXL all-wheel drive here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.